Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your humble servant, Dr. Max in the house. Dr. Max in the house. I hope you all have had a wonderful day, and all you all enjoyed the trading day of yesterday. And as you could see, the price did exactly what we expected from it, and it went all the way up to the instead of going down, and yep. So this is exactly what we expected, and this is exactly what price did. It was so beautiful to watch. Even already finished trading, and but I saw, I'm like, oh my god, this price will go all the way up to this liquidity level we talk about. It was so beautiful, and I hope you all enjoy it as well. Yeah. So it was just amazing to see the price action was just mind blowing. And oh gosh, it was so beautiful. Anyway, and then and I hope let's dive in immediately. Let's dive in immediately. Let's have um let's have our daily analysis. And so right away, let's dive into it. So yesterday we did our daily analysis. We on ES. So beautiful day. Thursday, tomorrow it's Friday. Friday, it will be weekend soon. Before we start, let's put the let's put our disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just doing this pure entertainment, and everything you do, it's your own responsibility. All right, everything you do or everything you'll be doing from now and on, it's your own responsibility. So whether you win, whether you lose, it's your own responsibility. All right. So and I'm just sharing my point of view about what I think of the market, I think what the market will or can do. This is just my point of view. If you want to use it, it's at your own benefits or at your own cost. Yeah. As you can see, as you can see, so and today is Thursday, and then today we are going to do an analysis. And I don't know if you want me to analyze ES or NQ, which one would like me to. If you have any preference, you can just let me know. Again, just start with it. So yesterday, price did exactly what we predicted price to do. And you see how price caused this level, like we mark out, and then price caused this level we mark out very easily with a lot of strength. And since yesterday when I came by the price, okay, I told you that it's highly likely price, since we have a positive opening here, we had a positive opening here on the daily. You see, we have a positive opening here yesterday on the daily. And I say highly likely, even this price was a bearish affinity minus. Okay, this candle was a bearish affinity minus. So we highly likely see price going all the way up here. You know what I mean? All the way up here and push up. So that was predicted. All right, and then because we had this positive opening here on the price yesterday, because you have a positive opening means a lot. We've probably you have some insider information. People already like preparing to jump in. You know what I mean? Because they knew some information. I don't know, but anyway. And yesterday, as we were saying, we had a positive opening, and then instead of price going down, we highly expect price to push up. And this is exactly what price did. Okay, I hope you enjoy you enjoy the day. And then we have this candle that pushed all the way up to do what? To to close in above this unfair pricing gap, which means today, if this candle were able to was is able to close bullish body close, we'll be expecting higher prices. Okay, we'll be expecting price to go all the way up here. You see, all the targets yesterday are taken. All the target we talk about, because price was around here, and I say price will go here, we come here, we come here. All the targets are taken, all of them. And then price came exactly to this level. We had a lot of confluence, and price passed by it with a lot of strength, with a lot of power. So the Max Maserati model, like I develop it in a way that it can tell you a lot of things about what the market is doing, what you might expect from the market. You know what I mean? And then that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of it. It can tell you a lot of things. Okay, a lot of things. It can tell you a lot of things, and then you just need to use the information you have. For example, the Max Maserati model. For example, you had a bullish body close. If we have a bullish body close, what do we expect? We expect price to take the high. What happened today? Price already took the high. But however, we are inside of this unfair price, this MM external block. We don't know if price will push up, or if price were to keep going up, price needs to violate this level here. So now we confirm. But today, for example, on the MMPD, if this candle today on the MMPD is able to close on top of the midline, and then we'll be confirming strong bullishness. Okay, if this candle on the MMPD is able to close above the midline, we'll be confirming very, very, very strong bullishness. Okay, but let's hope. There's, I mean, anyway, if we have, I mean, like, and then we have a bullish break here. We have a bullish break, which means like we have market structure change on the daily. Okay, we had a market structure change on the daily. However, we are getting inside of an external block CDS on the daily, so we expect price to be rejecting this area here. That's why we are seeing even price already crossed the daily high, which is our target for today. So yesterday high, today's John liquidity. Event price already crossed this level. Event price already crossed this level. Then you see price is reluctant to push up. Because what? Because of this MMM external box. So let's mark out the buyer's level we have on the daily. Potential liquidity. If price were to move up, we have a lot of liquidity at this level. Let's mark out as well the midline of the CDS. Okay, this is the MMM external block CDS midline on the daily. Okay, so we highly likely expect price to come to this level here and then push, and then we might highly likely see a reaction from this level. But for example, if we check on 6 months, on the yearly, remember this candle was all the way down here, and I tell you that this is a retracement segment, because we had a bullish body close for the year, and then if price push down, it means that we are on the segment of open low, because we're expecting an open low high close for the year, which means we're expecting this market to push up. Okay, I think CPI was lower than expected. That's why the market pushed all the way up. And then see, 6 months now the market is taking shape. Okay, remember when we first did on Monday, the market was all the way down here because we had the bullish body close, and then the segment we were looking at, it was the open low segment. Okay, as I say, and then and then that's why you always need to focus on the higher time frame, context. If you don't have the higher time frame context, you'll be making a lot of mistakes. Okay, you'll be taking trades that you're not supposed to take. You'll be taking trade you're not supposed to take. It's very, 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 very important that you check what do we have in the higher time frame. The higher time frame will tell you exactly what to expect for. Okay, so just imagine that you're thinking that price will push down, and then you didn't check the yearly, you didn't check 6 months, you didn't check 3 months, you didn't check the monthly. Okay, you'll be losing a lot of money. But hopefully you have the Max Maserati model, you have the MMM that will help you a lot, and then to really understand what the market is doing, because it doesn't worth it if you're trading and then you don't understand the market, you don't understand what price is telling you. You need to have the knowledge to understand exactly what price is doing it, what price is telling you. All right. And you see on the weekly, we came inside of this liquidity here, and we come inside of this internal CDL block, and then we push up exactly as we expected. As I was telling you, on the weekly, we were coming inside of this CDL, and I say highly likely we expect price to react from this CDL internal block CDL on the weekly and push up. This is exactly what price did. Exactly what we talked on Monday. I don't know if you remember, on Monday we talked about that. And then now, as we can see, price is coming inside of the MMX box CDS, which means this MMX this PO4, these two PO4, they created a market to change here and here as well. Okay, we have a market to change here and here as well. And for like a CDL, there's a CDS, this is a bearish breaker on the MSA. Okay, so now price is getting inside of an area with a lot of liquidity, so which means price highly likely keep pushing down. Okay, because we already took the daily. However, we still bullish on the higher time frame context. Remember, on the higher time frame context, we still bullish. But now we are seeing that if price is like the buyers and the sellers are fighting at this level. Okay, they are fighting. Okay, let's go into the 16 hours. 16 hours. As you can see, yesterday we did our analysis. What did price do? Price came exactly to this level, and then he crossed it with a lot of strength, with a lot of power. It was a beauty. It was very nice to see. Okay, and price came inside of the unfair pricing gap, fill out all this unfair pricing gap. Okay, to be honest, maybe price will just come here and then like and mitigate around here. Price maybe price will push all the way up non-stop, right? And if you see this candle is have like more than 70% bullish action inside of it, and then you see, so you expect higher prices. Okay, so our view for now, price highly likely do a little bit of retracement, but it's better to wait for the 4-hour candles to close to really have an idea about what price want to do. But I think at 9 morning session, and you will have, in the morning session, price will decide the direction price wants to go. But so now we can expect a lot of consolidation at this level between this high here and this low here. Price will be like consolidating in between. Okay, but what we don't want to see, for example, let's go in let's check the 16 hours. Okay, we don't want to see price to come to this level here, because there's a bullish body close inside of an unfair pricing gap. We will love to see that price keep pushing up before coming back to this level. And let's see if we have a positive opening on the daily. Do we have a positive opening? Yes or no? No, we have a perfect opening. Yeah, the bulls are in control. Okay, so let's check 8 hours. 8 hours. Market create a bearish affinity minus, which means like bearish affinity minus, which means the bulls have more control. In the Max Maserati model, which means the bulls have more control in the market. Okay, so let me just delete this. So okay, Let me just delete this. Okay, so what do we expect? We expect price now. As you can see on the 8 hours, price created a very affinity minus, which means price highly likely. Let's mark out the 16 hours, 16 hours. So this is a bearish bullish body close on 16 hours. Buyer's bullish body close on 16 hours. H16. Okay, H16. All right. So this is our last line of defense. Okay. And then 12 hours. What do we have in 12 hours? Yeah, in 12 hours. Yeah. I still have this candle that can do a lot of things. Only in 1 hour this candle will close, which means like at 10 15 at 10:50 this candle will close. 10:50 English time. Yeah. Hello, Rubes. I hope you're okay. Good morning, Rubes. Thank you. And then as we can see, price bullish, we have bullish body close, and then here we have a bearish affinity minus, which means bearish affinity minus, which means we are expecting price to take this high, and price exactly took this high. But now we see price is pushing back inside. Okay, price fill out this level of liquidity, this unfair pricing gap completely fill it. So will price keep pushing down here to this low and then push up? Highly likely, maybe that might be the case scenario for today. That price might come here and push up, or price might just keep pushing down. But the best case scenario that I would love to see, if price wants to keep continue, and remember we are inside of a MM external block on the daily. Okay, so which means highly likely we see price pushing down a little bit. Okay, but we're still bullish. We're still bullish. But it all depends. And then, but let's see. So if price were to come all the way up here and close on top of this CDL on the daily, this will be the confirmation. Let me just mark it out. Okay, CDS high. CDS high, which means highly likely we expect price to come on top of here. Not on top of, I mean, like highly like this is our last line of defense. Okay, but as we can see on the month, on the yearly, 6 months, 3 months, 52 weeks, weekly, daily, we are all bullish. So everything is bullish from now. Everything is bullish. Price action is bullish on the higher time frame. However, we might see a retracement to push up. Because what might cause a retracement? Because we are in an area of high resistance. If we see this candle was a bullish candle that was taken over by that was a bullish body close candle that was taken over by a bearish body close candle. If we take the Max Maserati Model, I will see this was a bullish body close that was taken over by the bearish body close, and then it pushed price down, which means this level here, this MMA external block, is responsible for pushing price down. So when price coming at this level here, you will expect the bear to react to try to push price down. Okay, bear in mind this is what you will expect. And then you check on the 4 hour. On the 4 hours, what do we have? We have an unfilled portion left here that the price hasn't filled. Okay, you have an unfilled portion here, so price highly likely come back to fill this portion. Okay, unfilled portion here on the 4 hour. Remember, we are bullish. However, don't be surprised if you see a slight retracement inside of this area here. Don't be surprised. Okay, if you see a retracement, but I would not love to see it, but it's all depend how this candle will close. If it's close bullish body close, we're expecting price to keep pushing high. But this candle close bearish affinity plus, maybe that might be the retracement. But we need to wait for this 4-hour candle to close to know exactly what we can expect of price today. Okay. So let's wait for this 4-hour candle to close. We have this unfair pricing gap here, unfilled portion here, which means it is a portion that price highly likely we expect price to come and close. And then we have another internal block here on top. Okay, we have a liquidity here. We have buyers here. Buyers on 4-hour. Yeah. And then what's next? Can we see in price? And then we have this level here. And then we have buyers here. Not buyers, sellers. We have sellers here. We have sellers here. Now highly likely can push price down. And then we have our CDS high here. This is the CDS high on the daily. On the daily. And then yeah, so for any trade, you just I will just expect I will just wait for this candle to close 1 hour, for this 1 hour to close, to have a clear idea about what price want to do, because we see price is struggling to have a we had our last bullish body close was here 10 a.m. yesterday, and then price is like failing to make another bullish body close, which means like we have a lot of resistance. The external box CDS is causing a lot of resistance in this area. Okay, so we don't be surprised if you price push a little bit down and then push up. Okay, but so far we are very bullish. 1 hour, what do we have? Yeah, exactly. In the 1 hour, price went all the way up here, took this high, and push bearish body close. Let's see with 3 minutes for this candle to close. Okay, if this candle is able to close bearish body close, okay, a bearish body close even below the yesterday high, which was our liquidity for today. So we'll be like, okay, it is quite highly likely come in inside of the zone for pricing gap as well. Okay, and then so we expect price to come here and then react from this area. This might be the area we might expect in a reaction from price. Okay, yeah. So this H1, and then what do we have here? Do you have an unfilled portion here? Yeah, I mean, the 4-hour closing will giving us a much better idea of what price want to do. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the 4-hour closing is our best guess to really understand where the market wants to go, or what is driving the market now. We have bullish break here, which means price needs to respect this low. I wouldn't expect price to come down here to this unfilled portion. So if price were to push up, the best area for price to push up would have been this area here, this unfair pricing gap. Okay. Yeah. So this is the low. What is this? Yeah, this is the low. Oh, this is the internal block long. Okay. And now CDL on each one. So this is it's our line of defense for. We don't want to see price like violate this level here. If price were to violate this level, we highly likely see price come all the way down here today. Okay, but this is my last line of defense. Last line of defense is 5,955.75. Okay, so we would love to see that price respect 5,982.75 area. Okay. And on 15 minutes, what do we have on 15 minutes? We have this retracement coming in, which means like 1 hour highly likely close, bearish, very close, and then price highly likely come inside this unfair pricing gap here, and then maybe push down, take this liquidity, and come inside the unfair pricing gap to fill it out. So for now, we are looking at a nice bearish retracement, and we have a lot of liquidity here. We have plenty of liquidity here, plenty. And plenty of buyers here waiting to buy. We have plenty of buyers. Okay, plenty of buyers here. All right, on 15 minutes, which means we highly likely see a retracement after this candle close. This 1 minute come 8 seconds to close. Okay, so 1 hour highly likely close, a nice bearish body close, violating the unfair pricing gap. Yeah. So now we highly likely see this price highly likely push down here and then fill out this unfair pricing gap. Yeah. That's my view. That's my take on ES for today. Yeah. And let's check where are we on the, yeah. So if this, let's see if this 5 minute will close, bearish body close, and a red candle here on the MMPD. Okay. So yeah. So let's see what price will do. Will we push up? Okay, because we have a CDS very close. So this candle highly likely, since price already came inside of the unfair pricing gap on the 15 minute here. Okay, it came inside of it. So will price keep pushing down, or will price come and fill out this unfilled portion here and push down? But I think price highly likely leave this unfilled portion behind and keep pushing down. Yeah, highly likely. We'll just leave it behind this unfilled portion. Okay, and 15. Highly likely leave this unfilled portion behind and push down. Yeah. But let's see. We don't know, because this is the first candle of the this is the first 1 minute candle of the 1 hour. So we can't really make a precipitation. Let's wait to see what price will do. But anyway, we know that we expect that price to see price open. Price even didn't leave and we trace inside. Okay, so yeah, this is the open. No wick between the bear ass, very strong, pushing price down. Okay, so basically this is my view of the market for today. We're still bullish, but I expect price to push down a bit and push down a little bit, and then and react from this area and push up. Okay, this is what I would love to see. This is, I mean, this is what the market is telling us. Okay, this is what the market is telling me based on the MMM. Price highly likely push down here instead of the unfair pricing gap. Anyway, that's all for today. It was a pleasure to be here with you. I hope you enjoy. Hello, Dionyson Dreamer. How are you doing? I hope you enjoyed the live. Please take care. So see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care. Cheers. Yeah, so price is pushing with a lot of strength, as we were saying. Okay, bye-bye. Please take care. Enjoy the day.